Okay, yɛda ase yɛ mo akɔ aba sonko kwan so sɛ oni asa di nhyiamu biem. Aha ɛyɛ GH Live, the official Kumasi Asante Kotoko ahemfie, and of course any sports stories via trust us. Yɛde bɛhyia wo na yɛde hook you. Yɛma ne nchoke you. Na bibia awie kama. And so ɛno no obi sisi so mi ebiem. Yes, aha AGH Live, the official Kumasi Asante Kotoko ahemfie. Any other sports stories nyinaa yɛde hyia wo na deɛ tie nyinaa ɛne sɛ ahansɛm no yɛde bɛhu kiw kama ba yɛmma ne ntwo kiw ne nyinaa ɛne yɛde ma wo na akyire ayɛ din mede ne Derek Saint Kizito mepatwe atena ase yɛkuta super exclusive yes kane na ne ɛwɔ Fox FM ne a na yɛabɔ ba Junior Fred abɔm so world exclusive na jingle no asun ɛna makyire yɛtena ase saa ne yɛde latest no ba yɛde exclusive ne bɛhu kiw pa saa jingle no but ɛma yɛ deɛ meame de me voice ɛyɛ a world exclusive ne nyinaa yɛde hyia kama na bibia ɛyɛ pɛ quality upon quality ɛna yɛhwehwɛ yes saa pɛpɛpɛ nti krɔbea mɛtɛma ni abere ɛwɔ transfer window na one player yɛma ne ho quick update ɛho nsa aba ɛyɛ crash ɛfrɛ ne sɛ Mohammed Shawkan. Yes, Mohammed Shawkan. Nyame ncha de we di ofri juso kwa afijase mu nwa nti nyina ye ba mani anesa. Yes, but am pesa me kire ene se sesia wotemi nkan yekuta super update kase pa efa crash no ho a ese yedi to judge exclusively edema ye na tiefo Mohammed Shawkan. Ne ho nsem ena ye ba beka edi ama krobia mapoma Asante Kotoko. Yes, Accra Lions first of all womo logo ena da so no ehonom ena crash no isi akan edema womo na yensa ka two letters tieniye mame picture ya wohui eye ebra Mohammed Shawkan or sign contract for I think 2 years ago or so. Yes, edema Accra Lions or da omo unveil no eni sa pepepe ena unhui na first letter eda so no Accra Lions ena omatwe letter mienu ba eba be reading nyina edi ama no hu se nkyeremu no esi ekọ ewo ho no mo sesesi ano empanyifo kyeremu a ni move Kotoko ne de ya titie nyina ne se mama ndi kan and share story ni ma Mohammed Shawkan enim se ne contract ebewu enne yenka ne se enne with na me no kase mama nka date ni nka ho because bi anya nne no bi hu video yi enne 31st July 31st 2024 the year of our Lord I think yes I prepare a trading or ade nim kra ye be ready e the amount na the contract e be wu ne no nti ono onim se wu awu ana se bibi ete saa ne say nti die nim ene say whether he admit or not die nim ene say oni Kotoko din komasie as a free agent na say we ni su a the contract ni wu ananka oni Kotoko wie nanka activation atodwa e the ama crowd side now omadi nkomasen sign contract in personal terms with Kotoko Krano Shawkan Mohammed any Kotoko wie former players be any Shawkan camp edi nkomo even technical staff ni be any Shawkan edi nkomo e between head coach my generalize me person body specifically edi amount but bench what dag out e between was a penny or down on cry any akoda edi nkomo and of course former players be and so any cracks edi nkomo kasa no de ewie pay akwara na gia tum so Kotoko ni salary obeje asikasem nyina no womne naka omunim se ne contract ewu enom na isa negotiation no now Accra Lions echiremu a womu ewo clause bi ewo na contract na ewu nanimu na ne nyina ene eba bi sikoso edi amawe enti omu ko GFA ene omu ko ye ni ade a ekofa reminder of letter nom ni ade na letter of reminder edi two just say omo kai GFA omo kwaji interpretation nom ni ade na yenka bi ma okay ushema Shawkan Mohammed Accra Lions omo ye say East Legon Accra onomo na letter no ntwa so free a letter no kra no it's dated I think July mu a couple of a year and omo etwe na omo say exercise of prolongation option omo say dear Shawkan in pursuant to the term of your employment contract signed on 1st August 2022, the club has activated right to extend your employment agreement for one more season that is into bracket 2024-25 until 31st of July 2025. By activating the option, all amendment of your employment agreement will be enacted to conform to respective rules and regulations governing employment and football once agreed upon by both parties. This automatic extension shall be for one more season unless viewed by both parties. Best regard, signed Nana Obri Lewis, Chief Executive Officer, Edema Bobokwa, your friend one say Accra Lions. The Etienne say, almost say hello, Kratcha, your friend Shawkan. Yenim see no contract signed in 2022, August Bosome Day Din Kaino, a berry year, Anissa, not as a berry and na your pachopi, the Etienne, and say, Obeka contract I sign anymore. No. Na eshim say o contract no ewu 2 years no yesa 1 year contract extension eno de ese timi sa activate ntie de ya activate na bibia awie nkonimdie so kai na hunu say niam ahodo a ewo contract no nyina no unim dada nanu a na ye bo no tofa to aso de awura mu ahunu enti we de so refi hu a me ka mo ahun say etesei obi nwuma oboye eno no enti eno no na Obri Yabua Lewis, Chief Executive Officer, and a science letter we are omo edi ama Kratcha friend said Shawkan Mohammed. Letter new A2 baako eno no na yebeko second letter no so ye near the news I cannot twice so the amount efa Shawkan move no hono a DAO signed 2 years ago ne ha picture any edema Accra Lions eno any the air show no Shawkan Mohammed. Now, yanko second letter no so. I know yes I know shikakra. Yes, second letter no so any. Second letter to Shawkan Mohammed. I don't know na e kamia is Emsa Lions for no omahu bibia na so same Shawkan Munaf Mohammed. Shawka Munaf Mohammed Nidin no. Yes, and so actual letter amano. We date near July 30th, 2024. Next enra no mo trust ality we. Na I say warning, conduct and contractual breaches. Dear sir, the management extend its warm compliment. You are by this letter being cautioned against acts and omission initiated by yourself and your association that are contrary to your employment agreement with Accra Lions Football Club with particular relevance to the clause on extension as contained in the previous employment agreement dated August 1st, 2022, with the club having exercised its right to prolong your employment as a professional footballer for a further 1 year, a further one football season, 2024-2025, on the terms and conditions in your contract, including all the appendices. You have still reneged on fulfilling your part of the agreement. I know. Also, the misinformation being channeled out by your associate about your club status should cease immediately. You are by this letter advised to respect the terms and conditions of your contract. We are putting the Ghana Football Association in a copy of all corresponding for necessary action. Best regards, Nana Obri Yabua Lewis, Chief Executive Officer, Accra Lions. No. Now Accra Lions, you see, Kratcha co training couple of days ago. And on Bizarre and said, Shaban, ya tese, ese, ko timma, a friend said, Kotoko no din komo. Akorane ka said, Davy, or no, we are in one and I know they are antise. Na ekokoba asa na busia de tie nyina ene se omahu se esakwada no akogbo adwen ewo Kumasi Central Market ena ode ne hunu no oba betu agu enkran islogon esa wa amwa ntimpacho omo e de sa warning letter we e man se Kratcha so refi hu a ye no wo contract ye mfiemienu na ba ko ye optional to renew na your right say exercise na ya trigger trigger sa exercise no kai hunu say you are conformed to sa mraho doa oguso air club no property as a footballer. In the fashion 2024-2025 season, wujina mpampe emaye antisa ebia enema nwe peye se ekobasa daare na daare atwe a ene ekra bebo eno enchimu Accra Lions empanyufo letter number 2 no wamudi 2 ja sign na na odu yebo Lewis the chief executive officer dem Accra Lions assign na omo adtimi edi copy ama GFA ena afen so TMS registration officer GFA be a registered players no yes ena afen so ma copy Shawkan Munaf Muhammad the said player no omo accompany into these 2 letters back call July 11th ena back so call eno da July 30th into no into abusia enchemu na medi nkan ede ma o tinedu me confirming the story so anya Kotoko player no mpacho ma me nsi so emfama wa ha say Shawkan Kotoko na di nkomo yes ye betimi a confirm the amount the personal terms o ma agree sika obeje nyina o ma agree na mom de tie ene se na Kotoko de omunim se ne contract ewu nti oba as a free agent nti ni sika sam salary obeje de na wo sora bibia wi kama nti neya se kokoba se ya na beye de a ene me pa Kotoko ebe ko Accra Lions na so yes de ye tete no makotua tefa kakra ma wo mo eba sa Shawkan salary nso obeje no se ebia asam kon o ka se oje 100 million a month me pa me de ya asam kan yes specifically oje 100 million a month so betimi ati about 8,000 Ghana yes from 10,000 to 8,000 Ghana and nam se Kotoko e kan bia bom e de akakoma Accra Lions Kotoko do jan ba bi din femodi onka obi ase obi anka ne de che one de nim any set player or penwo and within a chi but of course you confirm ya man so many sure kind of din komo pa a group burum a sign a chi ye but Accra Lions once when your hint bi ne senti no mo so sanya egu gari no mu no omo sagum ti Kotoko mo pesa gari no a mo soki no se be ya nwan nko ade a mo hwe ne mane manya mekabo ze otumfu adama billions na da form din ti mo malo kakra emfa ema Accra Lions no musunya tefa na yenya Shawkan ebeka tenedu ho na blay ekuta pen ni paper nso trere marke asiama wo mo na ntimanu nom enso bo kire won bobra crop ya remain supreme said the Kovoda ebeka no enti enya ketu Accra enti move ne there is still intact bibia e kama catch no ball ne there bibia repair obeba ma Kotoko all things being equal said the economics kwan so ne pato ye kan no Ceteris paribus sana etie yes abusia intimidate the Derrickson Kizito update ni nyina ene de atuja ede amano fa comment atuja comment section na say wo na nyansa no onsu nyame de adom wo enyame nkwa ne kitamie wonsu chewadwen na fa wadwen kire eto ho na yehu say ena move no okay ema Kotoko say bibia edide da na din a ene ade a yes chewadwen comment section ho na fe yehu se de nsusu no na by way of message o pese o kan bibi e fa yen dwumadi a ye di ho a obetimi a contact here bia your friend say WhatsApp only WhatsApp call or WhatsApp text message yes +233 530 044341 nebacho obetimi ne atokese ho na fe ntwemu a wo bia no odi amaye wonso wo life story bi about Asante Kotoko in as much as I'm found you crowd also you betimi no wadi nkomo live o da ha na me da ha na Kotoko ho nkomo na awie nkunim bi so nti fa number no anuanom a ye ne mu ahye date se ye ne mu bedi nkomo nyina no e ba cho ye ne mu be ye yes bro monarch ene meti wa homa no bi be se ye na yetumi atoa so amane ma awie pe ye okuta nice story how see di Kotoko chi o timi tie Kotoko e radio so ama ba bi ana okokra card ni twam interesting ye be revealing nyina na afi bia awie pe wo so utia na ahye wo nkran keep watching GH live na Kotoko ahimfie bibia enwi kama enfama subscribe na yento asumfra dumu enkwa dumu na nkurimdie no enye bro enfama me did Derrick Saint Kizito a trading man no me pa cho ahade yako far away
Subscribe to GH Live.
Everybody, GH Live.